In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the Comand radio unit for Mercedes S-Class from 2004 to 2007. First of all, you want to hit the emergency brake, put the car into place. You just turn on the ignition, you do not have to start the car. The next thing you want to do is that hit the brake and move the shift to the drive position. Once you have done that, you're going to need to push the ashtray. There's two screws here. One of them is here, and the other one is right here. You want to unscrew them. Once you unscrew them, you just need to pull it gently. There's a cable attached, but you don't have to take it out. You just need to leave it on the side. And next, we're going to need to remove the AC panel. For this, you can use this special plastic tool to take it off gently. Just put it in here on both sides and pull it gently also. There's also a cable attached to this. You just don't have to remove it. Just put this on side as well. There's two screws attached underneath the Comand unit, so we have to unscrew them first. Next thing, there's this plastic board here. If you want to take it off, you can use this special tool as well for this as well. You're gonna need to be gentle for this little push button that easily get off, which is this. So make sure you don't lose it. Okay, there's two last screws here on the top. We want to unscrew them as well. Once we're done with unscrewing, you can basically pull that to you, and on the back we have a cable that we need to unattach. What you have to do is basically push that plastic and get the cable out. Once the Comand unit is out, you can ship it to us to get it repaired. Visit our website at www.mmbspecialist.com. We give 1-year warranty on the repairs that we do, and turnaround day is very short as well.